after 5-6 hours right here, my withdrawal is approved. So let's check out the whole process in this video. Hello traders, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna make a new playlist about my trading journey. As you guys know, I've been passing challenges aggressively, and today I'm gonna show you one of the challenges that I passed and actually survived to first paid out, some of my progress on phase 1 and phase 2 to my funded account, what is my approach. So stay until the end of the video to see how much I actually made on my first paid out right here. So let's check it out right here. So Funded Engineer provide turbo challenge, right, which is one step challenge right here. I'm not so interested on one step because of the daily loss and maximum loss is particularly low. Other than that, there's superior challenge and standard challenge, right? So what's the difference right here between superior and standard? Gonna be, all right, the profit target is 10% for superior and the profit target for standard challenge is just 8% with a leverage lower by half, all right, 1 to 50, and this is 1 to 100. So the challenge that I choose is actually two-phase challenges because it's only need 8% profit target. I personally prefer only 8% profit target. It's obviously gonna be slightly easier to achieve compared to 10% profit target. So the leverage here is actually enough for me to trade gold or trade indices right here. So let's check out my phase 1 account right here. You guys can see, all right, I already made 8% to pass it, and the growth of this account is actually a roller coaster. Again, because I'm trading it aggressively, I'm passing it aggressively for my challenges, and you can see that I'm risking even 2-3% per trade, and ended up I was in around more than 5% drawdown, and I climbed black out slowly, tried to pass the challenges. So you guys can check out my win and loss right here. I have a big loss right here, which is around 3.8% right here, doing an intraday trade. And after that, you guys can see some of my losses and some of my win right here as well. So moving on to phase 2, it was quite smooth for me to make that 5% profit target right here. I just passed it in one day. Yes, one day, because I'm doing aggressively. So for phase 2, right, because this was very smooth, I took a first winning trade at first is around 4,000 US dollar on my intraday trade, and then the remaining 0.8% I actually did some forbidden jutsu to super scalp it to make it to 5%. Right here you can actually see I just passed this challenge in one day, but bear in mind if the first trade was losing trades, of course I will need more days to recover in this case, and also I have a higher chance to actually lose my account, right, because I'm doing this with an aggressive risk mode. I also want to be honest with you guys, this is not the first account I did with Funded Engineer and I passed. I actually failed a 100k challenge before I passed these challenges. Even though you can see that I'm doing aggressively on my challenges, but on my funded account, I'm actually going very conservative for my first payout. So right here, you can see that I only make 0.08% right here for my first payout, and I'm actually done. Alright, I didn't trade anymore. I just wait for my payout right here. Dig down to my account history on my funded account, you can see as well I'm using a super small lot size right here, and I did some super quick scalping to achieve the minimum payout from Funded Engineer. The reason why I'm doing this is really to secure my first payout, to secure my capital of investment, which is the challenger's fee. So that's why I want to make sure my first payout is achievable as possible, and then on my second payout, third payout, I can choose to be still conservative, alright, or I can actually trade aggressively. So now I'm using a risk diversification plan that I have multiple 100k challenges and 100k funded account. And you guys can notice I don't really go for 200k challenge, 300k challenge, or big 500k challenge. So why am I doing that? Is actually think about it. Alright, if I have 3 funded account with 100k challenges, alright, so I can do with 2 challenges account actually conservative risk mode in a survival mode, and 1 account with aggressive risk mode that I do it like just like on my challenges. So let's make the withdrawal, and you can see the available funds to withdrawals right here is only less than 0.1% that I made on my account. Right here you can see payout ratio is 90 because I use a discount code that allowed me to get 90% profit split before this. And let's make the withdrawal right now. So I will withdraw the full amount that I'm allowed to right here, which is 85.68 right here, and I'm choosing Wise with my email address for Wise right here. And also yes, all right, transfer usually take under 10 minutes. All right, let's see is the withdrawal that fast, so we're gonna click yes right here. So that's about it for today's video. I will update more about my trading journey on this particular playlist, so stay tuned for more, and always remember, trade with the right mindset.